Hello everyone. Actually, this time we are going to see how to download stock price data given the ticker symbol. We will give the example of Apple stock and also um, create a chart in RStudio. So we are going to use a special package called quantmod for that purpose. So let us open a new R script and start doing it. So let me load the Apple stock price. So this is what we are going to do first. Okay, by the way, before that, we have to make sure that we have our quantmod package installed. So it is already installed here, therefore I will just load it. Load the quantmod package. Okay, so it's very easy, as you know, library quantmod. Then we run it. So it is loaded, as you can see. Now load the Apple stock price. For loading it, we have to use a function called getSymbol. So the S of the symbol is capital, but G of the get is small. Anyway, we can select it from here, and then we can type in the ticker symbol of Apple, AAPL. If we do not know the ticker symbol of any stock, then it is very easy. We can just Google it, Google for the ticker symbol of that particular stock. Okay, so if we just type AAPL within this function, then it will by default it will load all the available stock prices and all this thing. So what I want to do, I want to load only let's say a 6-month stock price. So I'm going to use the from and to arguments. So for that purpose, because I want to get the price from 6 months before today and until today, so I'm going to use the argument sysdate. Okay, sysdate minus 6 month is 180, so it will minus 180. Now it will actually start the stock price data 180 days prior to the date of today. So from is sysdate minus 180 and 2 is sysdate. Okay, so we can see it, and I'm going to leave the rest of the arguments in default status. Okay, so control enter. We can expect, okay, it is already there. So we have got the object AAPL, which is actually the stock price data of Apple stock starting from 6 months before today to today. Okay, so this is how we can actually get the data of a particular stock. Now because I also want to create a chart the stock price data. So we have to use the argument called chart series. So I'm going there using the down arrow key and then press enter. Okay, now what I have to do, I have to type in the object for which I the object is actually the stock price data, so it is AAPL. Okay, we can keep everything in the default state, but at least I want to provide a name for it. So name is equals to I want to give the name Apple stock price chart. This is the name. Okay, so if I press Ctrl Enter, now you can see we have already got it with all the default stats. In case we want to change different things, we can actually mention different other arguments. Okay, so that is a matter of different video perhaps. But for example, let's say we want to change the theme. We don't like the black theme. We want to make it, we want to have a different theme. We know the theme name, which is white. So what we can do, theme equals white. Okay, now control enter. So you can see it is changing. So we can change a lot of other options using different arguments within the function. So this is how we can download the stock price data from Yahoo or Google or different other places under the quantmod package within RStudio, and also get the chart of that stock price data. I hope you have understood. Thank you very much. See you again.